How do you make money on Robinhood? This is not a recommendation or any financial advice necessarily, but this is more or less how do people make money on Robinhood, like a basic overview. So basically when you're trading, buying, selling stocks, if you buy lower than you sell or sell higher than you buy, you make money. And so if we look at the Apple stock that I own here, just a small fraction of it, if we scroll down on it a little bit, we see that my average cost to purchase this over however many shares or fractions of shares was $208. And so if I were to sell this right now, you see Apple is at $195. I'm going to lose money. If I sell it when Apple maybe goes back up to $210, $220, I would make money. How much would I make? Well, right now my market value, how much I own of Apple is like $3.28. So I don't own much of Apple. I don't own a whole share even, barely a fraction. And then you can see my total return right here. And so if I sold all of that right now, I'd lose, right? I'd lose money. And then as Apple's stock price goes up, I might even gain money, right? And so that is really at the basic level how people make money on Robinhood. Now, how can you make money? Well, for me, how I have made money on Robinhood is by buying and then having a stock for a while, and maybe it goes up, and then selling at some point. And then I would have profit from that sale, and I can withdraw that sale to my bank account then. Of course, I got to pay taxes on the profits and all that kind of stuff, but that's how you can make money on Robinhood. Not as easy as it sounds. Investing is probably more of a long game anyway, but yeah, that's how people make money on Robinhood.